In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sold items on Facebook Marketplace. If you've sold a few things on Facebook and want to quickly find the items that have already been marked as sold, the process is very simple once you know where to look. This is useful if you want to review past sales, keep track of what's no longer available, or just confirm that a listing was properly updated. To get started, go to facebook.com in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account that was used to create the marketplace listings. Otherwise, the sold items won't appear in the section we're about to open. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu on Facebook and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Facebook Marketplace area where you can browse, manage listings, and access account-related selling tools. Depending on your layout, the position of Marketplace may vary slightly, but it's usually easy to spot in the main navigation panel. After opening Marketplace, find and click your account or your listings. Facebook sometimes changes the wording or layout a little, depending on the version you're using, so if you don't see one exact label, look for the option that takes you to the listings you've created. This is the section where Facebook organizes your active, pending, and completed item listings. From there, select the Sold tab. As soon as you open it, you'll be able to see the items that have been marked as sold in your Marketplace account. This is the main place to review completed listings, and it helps keep your account organized by separating sold items from the ones that are still available. If you don't immediately see a sold item, give the page a moment to load and make sure the listing was actually marked as sold rather than just deleted or archived. That distinction can matter when you're trying to locate past activity in Marketplace. And that's all there is to it. Open Facebook, go to Marketplace, choose your account or your listings, and then click the Sold tab to view your sold items. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where this section is, it's much easier to manage your marketplace history.